Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars. First, learn to navigate the arena using the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen. To attack, tap the red button on the right, or hold it to aim precisely. Once your yellow super ability is charged, unleash its powerful effect with the blue button. Mastering these fundamental controls is your first step to becoming a top player in the game. Every brawler has a distinct playstyle, so choosing wisely is crucial. Tanks like El Primo absorb damage and lead the charge. Sharpshooters, such as Piper, excel at long-range attacks. Support brawlers like Poco heal their allies, while assassins like Leon quickly eliminate key targets. Experiment with different brawlers to find those that best suit your preferred strategy and team composition. Brawl Stars offers many exciting game modes, each with unique objectives. In Gem Grab, your team must collect 10 gems and hold them for 15 seconds to win. Showdown challenges you to be the last brawler or team standing. Brawl Ball is like soccer, where you score 2 goals. Heist requires you to destroy the enemy's safe while protecting your own. Understanding these goals is key to victory. To truly excel, focus on progression. Upgrade your brawlers to increase their health and damage, unlocking powerful star powers and gadgets at higher levels. Joining a club allows you to team up with friends and earn exclusive rewards. Remember, consistent practice is vital. Refine your aiming, master dodging enemy attacks, and learn the maps to dominate the arena and climb the trophy ranks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.